Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make Bojangles Bo Sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and hit that description box so you can not only see the recipe for this video, but all the other groovy links that I have down there. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Bojangles Bo Sauce. Let's drop down here and see what we've got for this. Our ingredients are going to be really quick and really easy. We've got a 1/4 cup of mayo. We have got 1 tablespoon of tiger sauce and 1 tablespoon of horseradish. Let's start making it. All right, as always, make sure you got a bowl big enough for your ingredients. We're going to drop our mayo into there, our horseradish, and then our tiger sauce right on in there. Go ahead and mix this up really well. Alright, we got some French fries going in the oven. I'm going to throw them on a plate with this sauce, take some awesome photos of it. Then we are going to come back and we are going to taste this, so don't go away. Great pictures of that sauce with these cross-cut fries. And let's get this sauce, just a little bit of a taste test here. Got that creamy mayonnaise, bite of that horseradish, and that little pepper from that tiger sauce comes through at the end. But mainly it's a really creamy horseradish sauce. Really good. It's really be good on chicken, as I'm sure everybody at Bojangles knows. Bojangles Bo Sauce. Hope you give it a try. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.